Good morning. In our previous lectures, we have successfully produced the wheat flour, and today I want to discuss one of the treatments of wheat flour known as uh, bleaching. Actually, when we produce the wheat flour, it cannot be directly used to develop products just like bread, cookies, cakes. Rather, aged. It is aged for some time, and then after aging, uh, it can be used for the product development. And during aging, we have two main concerns uh, for which we go for the aging. The number one is the color, and the second is the dough handling, to improve the dough handling properties. And in this lecture, we will discuss the color. Actually, the is wheat flour contains a yellowish pigment which is known as xanthophyll. It is a yellow. It is having a yellow color, and from the nutrition point of view, it has no significance. And this yellow color is changed to white, colorless, white color through a process known as the bleaching. So there are two ways to change this yellow color to white color. One is natural, and the other is the chemical. The natural is simply the wheat flour comes in contact with the atmospheric gases, and the gases, especially the oxygen, oxidizes this yellow pigment, xanthophyll, into the colorless compound and naturally bleaches it. But this natural bleaching takes time. It is a time consuming, and for industries it is costly because it needs much space to store the store the flour. So uh, the chemical bleaching agents have been used or preferred uh, because they are instant, they act quickly, and bleaches the flour with less time. There are various principal agents, bleaching agents, like nitrogen peroxide, chlorine dioxide, nitrogen trichloride, benzyl peroxide, acetone. Actually, this xanthophyll is having a conjugate double bonds, and these conjugate double bonds are oxidized by using the chemical bleaching agent, either by naturally oxygen or by chemicals. These conjugate double bonds, after getting oxidized, becomes colorless. So this is the mechanism how the xanthophyll is converted into the colorless compound. These are some significant dates in the history of the flour bleaching. Now let us discuss some important bleaching agents one by one. The first one is the nitrogen peroxide, but this compound has now been discontinued except in USA and Australia because of the health concerns. Chlorine is used mainly for the cake uh, cake flour because it in addition to bleaching action, it depolymerizes the starch, and which in turn uh, produces viscous viscous uh, this viscous bit batter, which helps in setting the structure of the cake and prevents the collapsing of the structure. Another one is the nitrogen trichloride. Its market name is 18, and it has also shown some harmful effects like canine hysteria, but fortunately this has not been found in if found in the humans yet. Another is the chlorine dioxide. Its market name is Diox. We have also some solid bleaching agents. Till now, I have discussed the gaseous bleaching agents. Benzyl peroxide is a solid bleaching agent. Also, acetone peroxide. Its market name is Ketox. It is also a solid bleaching agent. Hope you understood this. Thank you for watching.